What's up, people? Today we're going to be unboxing and doing a little review on the GETIHU 10,000 mAh portable power bank, the slim version. Got this one off Amazon. Let's get inside this box. Let's see what we got. Decent sized box. Gonna be reusing the box and the packing materials to ship out some items that I sell on eBay, some used items. Bam! Slim. Model PB01. This one has a flashlight, an LED flashlight, 2 power ports. Ooh, that looks gorgeous. Slim. The size is comparable to the iPhone X. Wow. Quality filling. Capacity 10,000 mAh. Output 5 volts, 1.1 amp max, and the other one 5 volts, 2 amps max, 2.1. Input 5 volts, 2 amps max. Here's one, the 2.1 out amp, 1 amp out. That's where you charge it. There's a little LED light. I'm gonna turn it on. Oh, we got light. This is the flashlight. So in here we got the power cable to charge it. You can use it to charge your device. Boom, throw it in there. Plug it in to charge it. And then you could also use it to charge your phones and stuff, or your iPads. Then you put it into the outputs and bam. This thing's metal. Feels good quality. Decent size weight, not too heavy. A little heavier than a phone. Comes with this LED flashlight. Let's power this bad boy on and test the flashlight. Oh, nice. Pretty bright. Point it at your face. Cool. And then it comes with a little user manual, a welcome guide. It has a warranty, 30-day money back guarantee, 360-day warranty, lifetime technical supports. Nice. The battery is a lithium ion. Cool. That's about it. I got a little phone right here. We're gonna test this bad boy out. Charging. It's already at 100%. Nice. I'm happy. Ready to use this thing on the road. Oh, you hold on to the power button and it comes with a another flashlight already built into there, so you got 2 flashlights. Awesome. Press once to show your battery capacity. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots means this thing's full. Press twice rapidly to turn on LED or turn off LED. 1, 2. 1, 2. Nice. It has automatic shut off when you're not using it. The GETIHU power bank, slim, cool. If you guys are interested in getting one of these for yourself, I'm gonna put it in the link down below, as well as a link to a couple other power banks, but for this one it's gonna be right on top of the video description. Thank you guys very much for watching this unboxing mini review video, and until next time, peace out, buddies, friends. Automatic shut off.